Hey guys, Anthony here, and today we're going to talk about what to expect when you're unboxing your new McElroy Polygon LT. Let's get into it. All right, everyone, so first thing we're going to do, let's go on down to our Polygon LT box. It is going to ship to you in this Pelican case, and inside of it, you're going to see that it does have a sticker on the inside of the box that is going to illustrate how to put everything back inside of the crate, and you need to follow that numbered sequence because it is important to get everything back in there on the first try. So make sure you do that whenever you're putting everything back in. All right, so now that we've got our case open, let's go ahead. We'll come in here, we'll pull out our heater and facer caddy first. Obviously, this is what is going to store our heater and our facer inside of for our Polygon LT. Both the heater and facer are going to lock in to position here with these two little came over locks. So that's going to keep those nice and retained and in a safe spot. The next thing I'm seeing in here, and I'm pulling them out in no specific order, is going to be our auxiliary gauge that comes with the Polygon LT. Going to help you with those really small diameter 20 millimeter, 25 millimeter butt fusions. So make sure you have that in there because that is going to help you out during the fusion process later on. Also, inside of our box, you're going to get a extra battery for your facer that is drill powered, right? So you are going to get an extra battery for it, and you're going to get a battery charger as well. So you should never run out of facer power out there on the job site. Okay, so we'll put these guys down right here. And then of course, come in here. And the last thing you're going to find inside of your hard case is going to be the actual Polygon LT itself. All right, so we're looking inside of our hard crate that the Polygon LT ships to you in. You can see that it does have a styrofoam cutout. If you've worked with McElroy polypropylene tools before, you've seen similar situations to this. It's going to have different half moon cutouts for all the different inserts that you can use with the machine. It is an important distinction to note that the inserts for the Polygon LT are sold separately. So make sure whenever you order your Polygon LT that you make sure that you get the appropriate inserts that you're going to need for your job site at the same time. So that's what to expect whenever you're getting your Polygon LT out of the hard crate for the first time. Those are going to be all your components that you're going to see inside your box.